Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the types of credit card does Santander Chartered Bank offers. So to understand this, open up a browser and on the web address bar, you want to go ahead and type in the link that is www.sc.com/credit card compare. That's going to take you to their official page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, what you want to do is you just have to scroll down a bit and you could see these are the list of credit card that they offer. Or else you could just go to credit card and then you could go ahead and find out a list about it. So just press the credit card and you could go with the, compare the credit card option. And when you actually find it out, you could see that they offer lifestyle and travel benefit credit cards. So if you want to go ahead and apply for it, you could just click on add to compare and click on the apply now button. And this way you'll have applied for the credit card. So these are the types of credit card the Santander Chartered offer. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.